Hello students, today we are going to learn second number lesson of English, my early home. From that remaining part of assessment of speaking and listening, B question, it was remain. So let us learn. Work in a group of 5. Give each group a number. All the odd groups will think and list the points about what good behavior is at school. Similarly, all the even groups will think and list the points about what good behavior is at home. So there you want to make two groups. Suppose it is possible at home, you can do. If it is not possible, you have to think yourself as a two groups. So you can write by taking both the parts of A group and B group also. So I have solved for you two sentences here. Like that you want to solve again more sentences. Means you want to write in the first column good behavior at school. I have given, for example, we should not fight. Here we should not fight at school. So second one, we should follow rules at school. So those are the some instructions, behavior which we want to do at school. Again we want to say we should not push other student in the class, so maybe it causes to get serious injury. So in the second column, good behavior at home, it is the second group part. So I have given two example for you. We should help our parents at home. We should keep clean our room at home. Otherwise we should keep clean our house also, we can write. So like same like that type of sentences you want to make by discussion with your friends also, no problem. So here if you want to make group, then nominate one member in every group to present the group's idea to the whole class. So if suppose there is a 5 students group, then you want to nominate one student and he will explain your all the sentences about good behavior at school and good behavior at home. Okay, remaining you want to complete. So next part, it is about writing. In this writing part, let us write a paragraph describing Gypsy. So you want to write one paragraph about Gypsy the dog. First, read these questions and answer them using the hints given in the box. So we want to read first these questions and here are some answers, and using these hints, so that answers we want to use as a hint to write paragraph. So first, what breed is Gypsy? Means what type of that Gypsy the dog is. So it is of Labrador. Labrador is a kind of dog. So how old is he? So celebrated his third birthday at a week ago. So he is 3 years old, we know. How does he look? gentle face, strong body, sand colored coat. What food does he like to have? Milk, bread crumbs, biscuits, rice and dal. So he likes to eat these things. What is it that makes him lovable? So how we can say he is a lovable dog? Because of he is adorable, friendly, loyal and responsible. So then we can understand he is a lovable dog. Then what does he like? So what does he like? He likes to play with children, runs to fetch a ball when he sees one. So that Labrador dog who likes to play with children and he likes to play with ball. Then last point, what does he dislike? He annoyed at the sight of neighbor's cat, barks at stranger. He don't like stranger person in his area and neighbor's cat also. So he get annoyed. Now write a short paragraph about Gypsy using answers to these questions. You can follow the order of the questions. So you have to use to write one paragraph about Gypsy, the Labrador dog.
Thank you. Have a nice day.